What does it mean when a lady blushes? A lady is said to be blushing when she feels self-conscious, self-love, and excited as a result of a cause. And it also makes them feel good emotionally and special about themselves. It also boosts their self-esteem. Now, as a man, how do you make your partner blush more? 1. Compliment. One of the very things that make ladies blush is compliment. The average lady loves love. She is never tired of receiving anything that makes her feel loved and feel good about herself. And compliment is one of the keys to achieving that end. Compliment your partner about her look, her skills, abilities, talents, gifts, potentials, etc. Tell her sweet things. And ensure you do it almost every day. It goes a long way for her, even if she pretends as though it doesn't. 2. Romance. Contrary to what many believe, romance is not sex. Romance is simply doing an ordinary thing in an extraordinary way. It's doing the simple thing in a romantic way. And it's doing the common thing in an uncommon way. An example of this could be surprising your partner with a gift, especially with what they've always wanted or desired to have one day. And your only limit to this is creativity. That is, you have to be creative in doing the simple things in an uncommon way. It could be opening the door for her to enter, or drawing the chair for her to sit, or helping her with what is important to her, but this time, in a romantic and uncommon way of expression. Being treated as a lady makes them feel blush. And this involves the way you treat, talk, and react towards her. In every act of your expression towards her, always go the extra mile to express it romantically. It will make her blush, and positively affect her emotions. Thus moods specifically. Lastly. 3. Appreciation. It's often said, appreciation is an application for more. That's a completely true statement. However, you may not want to limit that to an application for more. As a matter of fact, appreciating your partner from a sincere heart goes a long way for her into blushing. Nothing makes a lady feel blushed than being appreciated for the good things she has done, doing, and still going to do. Has she ever done anything that made you feel loved by her? Then remind, and appreciate her for it. Anything you love about her. Bring them to her knowledge, and sincerely appreciate those qualities in her. However, the average lady will know when you are actually appreciating her from a sincere heart. That is, if you fake it, you will get caught by her. So, these are the 3 things that make the average lady blush. However, don't be limited to just these 3 things. But before you go, have you watched our recent video, titled, How to Be Romantic Without Being Physical? If not, kindly check one of the links in the description box below to the video. Most importantly, what's your take home from this video? What serves as an eye-opener for you from this video? And what contribution do you wish to also add to this video? Answer below in the comments section. We would love to read from you. And many thanks for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Importantly, if you find value from this video, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell, in order to be notified of every one of our newly uploaded videos. See you in our next video. And remember, we love you.